welcome back to the shop. It's been a little while since our last episode, like a couple weeks, and we've not been working on it as consistently as in the past because my dad's been on trips and I've been busy and lacking motivation. I think this is episode 25 or 26. Pretty sure it's 25 though. Anyway, I will be working on the carpet. I'm going to be taking out plastic so that I can take the carpet out. Yeah, let's do this. So, I pulled this out and, hold on a second. There's rust down in there. Oh well. This is random, but I just noticed that there's like snails or snail shells in like the doorway. Isn't that just kind of odd? I don't know. Strikes me as odd anyway. I'd just like to say that I find this kind of gross and a little bit sad because there's all that rust we got to take care of now. But yeah, the other side doesn't look as bad under there. You can't see it very well from this angle, but I'll show you later probably. But yeah, look at all that. It's just a little bit gross and discouraging. So yeah, this is the other side. As you can see, not as much rust, there's still some, but it's not nearly as bad. That's farther down. I can't show you farther down on that side yet because I haven't gotten it pulled up, so yeah, that's that. So I took half of it out and it's in a jumble. So I'll show you where it was. So you can see there's coins. Sorry, I am terrible with the camera, so I'm a little shaky. Let's see. There's a lot more rust on this side. At least, yeah. There's a lot more on this side. And then the other side still has some rust. I'm also not sure how well you can hear me because my hand is kind of over the microphone part. Anyway, so there's some more over here, but it's not as bad. I'm just hoping there's not as much, or at least not more rust under the other half. So, wish me luck. So Dad got the back carpet out. I was kind of overly focused on the amount of change that I found over here, which was like a little over $1. But sorry. Yeah, much less rust back here than up there. And man, I'm really awkward. Yeah, so I mean, there's that little hole that has a bunch of rust, but I'm just gonna focus on the lack of rust over here compared to down there. Anyway, I think that's all for now. Down so far. As you can see, we're not trying to get it perfect. We're just kind of scraping loose stuff off. There's my footprint there. So yeah, I got from about there to there on this side, and got in here. This side wasn't as bad as it was, but we on some of that, and then over here, and I started to work on vacuuming and grinding down here. Then I realized there's this wire, and I didn't want to hurt that. And then the seatbelt spot. Found I was just vacuuming, and this side right there, where my pinky is, it was breaking apart as I was vacuuming it. So decided to see if the bolt would break or not. Thank goodness. Anyways, here's the bolt. It came out. I'm so glad, because most of the time they break on me. Like right there. Anyway, so Dad chiseled that a little. And we're gonna have to treat that. But it's okay, because all along there and along there was okay. So I'm happy. I'm especially happy that the bolt came out. So, yeah, that's it for now. We got the carpet out, as I showed you already. That was mostly what I wanted to get done in this video, so this episode, which I think is actually episode 26. And we haven't released one because we didn't finish it. Anyway, thanks for stopping out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, share it with your friends if you think your friends might like it, and subscribe if you haven't already. So, thank you. Bye.